Hey everyone, Alex Ionescu here. Welcome to Investor's Guide to the Galaxy. Xiaomi CyberOne Humanoid Robot Drumming. Robot Heavy Metal Band. Robots that can build themselves. Bird-inspired robotic drone. Humanoid Robot Cutting Wire. Let's dive right into it. Xiaomi stock price. Today is flat, up 0.18%. S&P 500 is up 1.44%. Tesla is down 6.27%. ARK Innovation ETF is up 1.9%. Year to date, Xiaomi stock price is down 40%, S&P 500 is down 17%, Tesla is down 58%, ARK Innovation ETF is down 64%. Past 5 years, Xiaomi stock is down 43%, S&P 500 is up 46%, Tesla is up 914%, and ARK Innovation ETF is up 4.3%. In August 2022, Xiaomi unveiled its full-scale humanoid bionic robot, CyberOne. Standing at 177 centimeters tall and weighing 52 kilograms, the robot impressed with its ability to perform human-like movements. To demonstrate the capabilities of its state-of-the-art product, the company taught CyberOne how to play the drums. Xiaomi full-size humanoid robot, CyberOne, has been trained to play drums. The robot was able to complete its drum performance in 3 steps. First, it automatically parsed out the beat from an input MIDI music file to generate a drum sequence. Then, using an offline motion library and online calibration, a motion trajectory synchronized with a drum sequence was generated. Finally, the robot's body was controlled to complete each movement through a whole body controller. Are you impressed? Maybe, maybe not. It's not Tesla Optimus robot, so robots playing drums is not a new thing. Look at this. Compressorhead is the world's heaviest metal band, made of robots performing live. This is their website, Robocross Machines. They have a lot of robots. Mega Watson, Stick Boy, Schmidi, CNC Bar, Looney Bin, T-shirt Cannon, Topless Dancer. That's funny. Headless Batsman. They're not smart robots, but they're cool. Now let's take a look what this band is all about, right? Yeah, I think even if most of you are not heavy metal fans, this is way cooler than Xiaomi CyberOne playing drums, right? Researchers are building robots that can build themselves. Researchers at MIT, Center of Bits and Atoms, are working on an ambitious project designing robots that effectively self-assemble. The team admits that the goal of an autonomous self-building robot is still years away, but the work has thus far demonstrated positive results. Another interesting robot. In a tweet posted by G Gadgets, this robotic drone has legs and acts like a bird. Stanford engineers Mark Kukovsky and David Lenting developed this bird-inspired robotic drone that can mimic how birds fly, perch, and carry objects. Cool, right? Last but not least, an update on the humanoid robot from Sanctuary AI company. That's a teleoperated robot that's cutting a wire. I'd like to know your opinion on all of this. Please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please smash that like button so that other people like you see this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. See you next time.